Experience the power to design, build, create, the power to turn ideas into reality, and the power to do it all better and faster than ever before. Welcome to the future of design. Welcome to AutoCAD 2022. AutoCAD is a CAD leader with best-in-class 2D drafting and 3D design, trusted by millions of designers and drafters. And AutoCAD 2022 is leading the next generation of design by tapping into intelligent automation technology to empower designers like never before. By automating time-consuming tasks, enabling users to focus on the most valuable design work. By including features like Count that eliminate manual counting and errors. Or with Trace, a feature that streamlines collaboration and reviews without altering the existing drawing. And to accomplish industry tasks faster and with more precision, AutoCAD's industry-specific toolsets could help users realize impressive productivity gains averaging 63%. And because Autodesk products are made to work together, projects designed in AutoCAD work seamlessly across tools and teams. Leverage the power of AutoCAD, no matter the place or platform. Mac, PC, laptop, mobile, and cloud. In the office or in your home. The included web and mobile apps in AutoCAD 2022 let you work wherever, whenever, or on whatever device you want, and using the cloud storage platform that you prefer. From the job site to your backyard, keep your projects on track while away from the office with the AutoCAD mobile app. Design, edit, and access your DWGs right on your mobile device. And for essential CAD drafting tools from any computer, there's the AutoCAD web app. Simply log in and get to work in a web browser, connecting to your DWG files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, and third-party cloud storage providers, drafting with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect. The 2022 AutoCAD connected experience across desktop, web, and mobile also features Share, which delivers peace of mind by providing control over who can access and edit your files. AutoCAD, the tools you desire, the innovation you deserve.
When using reference drawings, printing out copies or clicking between instances to copy items can be burdensome and overly time-consuming. With a digital copy and the ability to move these within your screens, the process can be much more efficient for users. For that reason, we've introduced floating windows. Now in AutoCAD, you can tear a drawing window away from the tab to view, reference, and edit your drawing side by side or on another monitor. You can even pull the window outside of the main AutoCAD frame. Navigation functionality works just as easily. You can view model and layout tabs, use the command line, pan, and zoom. With this feature, we aim to help users improve their user experience and continue to work faster with AutoCAD.
Counting for a project can be painful and tedious at best. This is the perfect task for your software to do the work for you. Today, in AutoCAD, we leverage geometry search to count for you. With Count, you can tell AutoCAD the geometry that you want to count, or the blocks that you want to count. AutoCAD will highlight all the objects being counted and even call out potential miscounts. For example, an exploded block, or if two blocks are on top of each other. You can also tell AutoCAD to only count by layer, scale, or mirror state. The best part is that Count easily updates as you make changes to the drawing. AutoCAD makes it easy to count the right objects and to synthesize the information in a table for tasks, like ordering parts or giving estimates. This table will update as you make changes to the drawing. With this automation, we aim to eliminate repetitive error-prone tasks and enable our customers to achieve more.
With the new Trace feature, you can safely review and add feedback directly to a DWG file without altering the existing drawing. Let's say I want to make some changes in the AutoCAD mobile app. I open my DWG and I click on New Trace. I zoom in to where I want to make the change. I want to add a sync, so I mark the area with a rev cloud and I write a note. I'm safely adding markups without altering the existing file. I click on the check mark to close my trace and I save my drawing. Back in AutoCAD, my coworker opens the drawing from cloud storage. She goes to the Trace palette and clicks on the trace. She clicks on the icon to send the trace to the back. This lets her see the changes while she's drafting. And when she's done, she clicks the check mark to close out of the trace. She can continue with her other work. Now let's look at it as a collaborator in the AutoCAD web app. I open my file into the AutoCAD web app. I create a new trace. I decide I want to extend the wall out 20 feet, so I use the drafting tools to mark up that change. I'm essentially drawing my changes over the existing drawing without altering it. I add a rev cloud to make the change easy to spot, and I add a note. When I'm done with my trace, I click on the check mark, and then I save my drawing. Back in AutoCAD, my coworker opens the drawing from cloud storage. She goes to the Collaborate tab and clicks on the Trace palette to open my trace. She clicks on the icon in the Trace menu to send the trace to the back. Again, this lets her see my markups while she picks up the design change. She clicks on the check mark when she's finished capturing the design changes, and she gets back to her other updates. This innovative digital workflow does away with the need for red pens and highlighters, so your team can add design changes quickly and accurately.
Sharing drawings with teammates and colleagues can be a time-consuming and frustrating task. Sorting through file folders to find where your drawing was saved and attaching it to an email, only to find that the file is too large for your email provider. Now in AutoCAD, we've introduced Share. Share simplifies collaboration with one button to create a controlled link to your drawing to send to your team. You can differentiate between those who need to view the file and those who need the ability to make edits. Copy the link and send it to your team, quickly and easily, with only a couple of mouse clicks. The link opens directly within the AutoCAD web app. With Share, we aim to help you collaborate with your teammates and colleagues more efficiently and securely, whether you're in the office or on the go.
The Push to Autodesk Docs feature in AutoCAD 2022 will allow you to send PDFs from AutoCAD to BIM 360 or Autodesk Docs projects easier and faster. Under the Collaborate tab, the Push to Autodesk Docs palette can be launched. In the palette, the sheets from this drawing populate, but you can add sheets from other drawings and select only the sheets you want to send. And if this is a collection of sheets you plan to send frequently, you can save the sheet set for future use. Once you have the sheets you want to upload, you can select either a BIM 360 or Autodesk Docs project in the drop-down menu. Simply navigate to the correct project and folder and push OK. On the bottom right-hand corner, a notification will populate if there are any errors on the AutoCAD side with sending your sheets. Depending on how many sheets you are sending, it may take some time to upload. In this case, let's see if the sheets are ready by clicking the link in the palette. This link in the palette will open a browser to the correct BIM 360 or Autodesk Doc folder directly. Here, we can see it is currently being uploaded in the folder in BIM 360. This Push to Autodesk Docs feature is available in AutoCAD 2022 and available in a plugin for a few previous versions and is available today in the Autodesk App Store.
Long before smartphones, the Internet of Things, and digital everything, AutoCAD was created. Its mission was simple: leverage the best available technology to empower designers to work faster, better, and smarter. And today, Autodesk continues that legacy of innovation with the AutoCAD web app. It's AutoCAD in the cloud, and it's included with an AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT subscription. With it, you have quick, anytime access to edit or view CAD drawings, and any computer can be your CAD workstation, wherever you are, and without needing AutoCAD installed. Simply open a web browser, log in, and get to work designing with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect from AutoCAD. With new features like Trace and Share, you can up your collaboration game to review and annotate DWG files directly in AutoCAD. By connecting to your project files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, or cloud storage platforms, the AutoCAD web app allows you to go beyond the office and opens up all new ways of working. Discover the freedom and the power of the new Anywhere workplace with the AutoCAD web app. From the very beginning, AutoCAD was created to help designers work faster, better, and smarter. And these days, we are not only redefining the idea of the office, we're redefining the very idea of how we work. So, to enable a new mobile workforce of designers and drafters, Autodesk offers the AutoCAD mobile app. It's CAD on your terms. From the office to your home, you can work wherever, whenever, and on whatever device you prefer. The AutoCAD mobile app gives you AutoCAD at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. With new features like Trace, you get collaboration tools in your pocket. From the job site to your backyard, you can design, edit, and access DWG files with the tools you need on your smartphone or tablet, keeping projects on track while freeing you from the office. The AutoCAD mobile app is included with an AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT subscription. Discover the freedom and the power of the new Anywhere workplace with the AutoCAD mobile app.